This week, let's review 5 more features in Canva, so let's start. Zoom in, zoom out feature. When working on Canva, you can always zoom in or zoom out your template by clicking here. Elements handing to the back or bringing them to the front. Right-click on the element and choose which option you need. Grouping elements so that you can move them all together instead of dragging them around one by one. Also, you can resize them all together. Select all your elements, click on Group, and that's all. Lock background elements. This will prevent you from accidentally deleting elements. Again, select the element, click on the lock, and you're safe to go. Add hyperlink for your PDF files. Highlight the text and click the link button at the top. Enter your URL and apply. That's all, thank you for watching, and feel free to follow for more Canva features in the next videos.